Today's question is minimum number of platform. Here what we are achieving, here we will be having a two arrays of arrival and departure, two arrays of arrival and departure, and we want to know that how many platforms are required to run these trains. So one train comes as a 9 and it left at a 9:20. One train comes as a 9:45 and it left at 12. Another train comes as a 9:55, it left at 11:30. Then 11, it left by 11:50. Then 15, it left by 19. Then 18, it left by 20. So what we have to achieve, we have to give a minimum number of platform. So here whenever we have a two arrays, so we will go with the two pointer, because we have to traverse the list of the array. Okay, so point is, the main point is, let's suppose I have this, let's suppose this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is my railway track, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, the first train comes across by 9 and leaves by 9:20, so this would be first platform. Okay, the next train come by 9:45. So anyways, we can use this platform itself. So 9:45 would be somewhere here and it leaves by 12. This is the first platform itself. Then again 9:55. Now we can't use this particular, now we have to go on another platform, 9:55 till 11:30. Okay, so till here. Then again 11 to 11:50. So I can use this also, I can use this also, because there is already train. So 11 to 11:50. Okay, so I need her three platforms over there. Okay, because another train comes at the 15, so I can, anyways, these all will bent off, and 15, one particular train will come that can leave by 19, and another train comes as 18. So I have already one platform, two platforms, three platform I had already in a place, so I will place this particular on another platform. So here two interactions. So what would be the minimum platform required? That is 3. Okay, now as a brute force, what we can do, we can compare this in a loop and compare this with each and every object, object of this particular array, and see how many platforms are available and increase the counter on the basis of it. But we don't want, but for the brute force, this will be OF n chi square, that will be too high, so we can't use this. Now for the optimal approach, first we'll sort this array. Why we had sorted this array? Because we don't need to have, we don't want to like store on the basis of like, we don't want to store like this. We can store this and we can have this like arrival compared with the departure, so that we will be knowing that which is lesser, and we can have a iteration of the platform on the basis of it. Now I had sorted those two array. Okay, one arrival array, another. Now I am just initializing a platform, that to 1. Let's consider the 1. Now initializing the minimum platform also to 1. Now I have a two pointers, because I need I will place at a 1 and j will place as a 0. Why I had done? Because I will iterate with departure with j, and I will iterate a with I with a. Okay, so what I have, and I had taken int n is equal to a dot length, so that I will be knowing that how many trains are coming. Okay, now we'll have a while loop. Why I had created a while loop? Because I want iteration of I till n, and here in the same I will have iteration of j also. Okay, so it will be like iteration of till n loops will be there. Now in this, what I will do, I just have to check arrival of I should be lesser than departure of j, then only I will increase the platform. If, and then I will increase the arrival also, because anyways here you can see that 9 come into the picture, and after that 9:20 is there. So I don't need a new platform, I just need whatever is there. Okay, and then again 9:45 is there until 12. So another 9:50 will get compared with the 12, right? Because if 9:50 will get compared to the 12, then I will increase the platform, because I need a new platform, then only I will keep it, because this is not departure yet. So that's why I have increased the platform. And now I will increase, because I need to iterate with the 9:55. 9:50 I'm comparing, and seeing, comparing with what? Comparing with the 12. Because I need to know that, okay, the platform is empty or not. I will compare with the 12. So I know that, okay, this is also not empty. So I will put my another platform here. Okay, and suppose now come into the picture, 11 came into the picture. Okay, 11 also I will compare. With whom I will compare? 11 I will compare with 11. 12 is there, because 11 is also pitching. Okay, and this also, so that's why 3 platform is there. Now 15 I know that 15 is lesser than 12, so I will decrease the platform, because I don't need that platform, right? I can use that empty platform. I can decrease the platform. And what I will do, I will increase this, I will increase j plus plus. I increase the j plus plus, and then I have a result, that is minimum platform, and that minimum platform will be math dot max of minimum, current minimum platform with the platform that is being iterated, that is being changed, and this I will return minimum platform. Okay, excuse me for the writings. Okay, and here the complexity will be n of this, because I am iterating n times, and here I had used sort also, so it will be n log n. This will be the big O complexity, and the constant, it is a constant. I'm not